right, your hard drive or SSD may be failing right now, and there's a good chance you have no idea. Storage drives don't announce when they're struggling. You're the only one who should regularly check the health of your hard drive. Here are free ways to check your drive health right now. One built into Windows itself, one from your manufacturer, and one trusted community tool. Let me show you all of them. Method 1 takes under 30 seconds and requires nothing to download. It's a built-in PowerShell command that gives you an immediate status check on every drive in your system simultaneously, and it works on all current Windows 10 and 11 builds. A quick note before we start, the older WMIC disk drive command you might find in other tutorials has been deprecated in recent Windows versions and no longer works reliably. We're using the modern PowerShell equivalent instead. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Terminal, Admin. Click Yes on the permission prompt. Running as administrator is essential here. This command requires elevated privileges to execute properly. In the PowerShell window, type the following command exactly. Get-PhysicalDisk, pipe, select object, dash, FriendlyName, comma, HealthStatus, comma, OperationalStatus. Press Enter. PowerShell queries every physical storage device connected to your system and returns a clean 3-column report. You'll see 3 columns: FriendlyName, the drive model name identifying each drive in your system; HealthStatus, the overall health assessment, you're looking for one of 3 values: healthy, warning, or unhealthy; OperationalStatus, the current functional state of the drive. OK means it's operating normally. Any other value indicates a functional problem worth investigating. Every physical drive connected to your system will appear: internal hard drives, SSDs, NVMe drives, and external USB drives currently plugged in. This command gives you a fast pass or fail signal for every drive at once. If everything shows healthy and OK, you're in good shape. If anything shows warning or unhealthy, act on it immediately and move to the manufacturer tool or CrystalDiskInfo for more detail. Here's another way to check your hard drive model. Press Windows plus R, type MSInfo32, and press Enter. System information opens. In the left panel, expand Components, then expand Storage, and click Disks. You'll see a complete list of every physical storage device connected to your computer. For each drive, note the model name. This tells you the manufacturer and exact model. The manufacturer name at the beginning of the model string is what you need for the next step. Write it down for every drive you want to check. Method 2 gives you the most comprehensive health data available for your specific drive, because every major manufacturer provides their own free diagnostic software that goes far deeper than any generic tool. Once you know your drive manufacturer from the MSInfo32 step, go to that manufacturer's official website, download their free tool, and install it. Here's where to find the right tool for each manufacturer. Samsung. Search for Samsung SSD software download. The software is called Magician. I downloaded and installed it. Magician shows health status, remaining lifetime percentage, temperature, total bytes written versus rated TBW, firmware version, and lets you run performance benchmarks and diagnostic scans. But the problem with Magician is that it's too slow, uses up a lot of memory, and sometimes doesn't even recognize hard drives. Let's try AData. Search for AData SSD Toolbox, download it, and then install it. AData detects most hard drive models and displays information about the hard drive, shows health percentage, temperature, remaining lifetime, and includes a secure erase function. When you launch the tool, it automatically detects your drive and displays a dashboard. The key metrics to look at on any manufacturer tool: health status, usually displayed as a percentage or color indicator; good, warning, or critical; temperature, current operating temperature; For NVMe SSDs, under 50 degrees Celsius at idle is healthy. Under 70, under sustained load, is acceptable. Beyond the health display, manufacturer tools also offer diagnostic scans. Quick Scan checks the most critical areas in minutes. Full Scan tests every sector and takes much longer but is thorough. Firmware updates keeps your drive's firmware current, which can fix bugs and improve stability, and plenty of other features that you can discover for yourself as you explore them. Method 3 is CrystalDiskInfo, the community standard for drive health monitoring that we covered in a dedicated video earlier in this series. It works with every drive type from every manufacturer in a single interface. Open your browser and search for CrystalDiskInfo. The official site is crystalmark.info. Download the standard installer and install it. When CrystalDiskInfo opens, you'll see a tab for each drive detected in your system. Click between tabs to switch between drives. Reading the HealthStatus badge. Blue, good. All SMART attributes are within normal parameters. Yellow, caution. One or more attributes have moved outside acceptable ranges. Not necessarily imminent failure, but a clear warning that requires action. Red, bad. Serious problems detected. Back up data immediately and replace the drive. Gray, unknown. SMART data couldn't be fully read. For SSDs specifically, look for Media Wear-Out Indicator, total bytes written, and percentage used. These directly reflect remaining write endurance. Temperature is displayed below the health badge. Check this, especially on NVMe drives. Under 50 degrees Celsius at idle is excellent. Consistent readings above 70 under load warrant investigating. You're cooling. The best thing about CrystalDiskInfo is that you can set it to monitor your drives passively in the background without you needing to remember to check. Go to the Function menu and click Resident. This enables CrystalDiskInfo to run silently in the system tray. You won't see a window, just a small icon in the taskbar notification area. Also in the Function menu, enable Startup. This makes CrystalDiskInfo launch automatically with Windows. With Resident Mode active, CrystalDiskInfo continuously monitors your drives and will display a notification alert if any SMART attribute changes status. For example, if a drive moves from good to caution. You get warned the moment something changes without ever having to manually open the application. This is the most practical approach. Set it once and let it run. The only time you'll hear from it is if something actually needs your attention. 3 methods, every drive type covered, completely free. There's genuinely no reason not to spend 10 minutes checking your drives today and setting up CrystalDiskInfo's passive monitoring so you never have to worry about missing an early warning sign. Drop your results in the comments, good, caution, or something more concerning. If you found a caution or bad result, mention which attribute triggered it, and I'll help you interpret it. A like and a subscribe helps the channel, and I post practical Windows and hardware guides every day. Thanks for watching. Go check those drives.